Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we will explore how to run multiple virtual machines on a VirtualBox using Rocky Linux. Whether you are setting up a lab for practice, testing or development, this guide will show you how to run or configure VirtualBox for optimal performance and manage multiple virtual machines. Let's get started. Before we dive in, ensure you have the following prerequisite: a machine with a VirtualBox installed, at least 8 GB of RAM and sufficient storage for hosting multiple virtual machine, and Rocky Linux ISO downloaded from the official website. If you need any help, I have explained this in a previous video. The link is in the description. Please watch it. First, let's create our virtual machine. Open VirtualBox and click on New. Give the name. I have given Rocky Linux 2. Mount ISO file. Allocate resources. Here you can give any name, username and password. Hostname will be the Rocky Linux 2. For guest edition, we will install it later. And select hardware. Minimum 2 GB is required, and core minimum 2 core. And hard disk default 20 GB I will keep as it is, and the hard disk file type will be VDI. Click on finish. Virtual machine is created. Let's power on it. Before power on, let's once again cross check. Go to settings. Cross verify. Go to advanced. Here I will enable bidirectional. Okay, next go to display, storage, mount the ISO file once again, click on OK, power on the machine. Powering up machine. By using app arrow, install Rocky Linux 9.5, select that and press enter. This will take some time. I will pause the video and resume once we get an installation window. So let's start the installation. Select the language. Click on continue. Configure the keyboard. it's English. We have selected the language. Cross verify the time and date. It's perfectly set. You can change time zone from here. Select the region and city and then click on done and click on installation source. Auto detect installation media. And next is software selection. Here we get multiple options like virtual host, custom operating system, workstation, minimal install, and server with GUI. If you required GUI, and then only you select this, otherwise minimal installation is also fine. As of now I will select the default one, server with GUI. Click on done. And installation destination, here I will select automatic partition and click on done. And the next is network host, it will be the default one. If you want to add multiple networks, you can add it from here. Click on done. Set the root password. Create a user. I have created user, admin user. Make this user administrator. Require password. Click on done. Then click on begin installation. The installation may take some time. I will pause the video. Once it is done, I will resume back. Installation is completed. Let's reboot the system. Let's log in to the server. We have successfully created virtual machine and installed Rocky Linux into it. Let's do the prerequisite install guest addition. Enter the password. These are the prerequisite I'm doing now. All these are already created a video, a separate video for VirtualBox Guest Addition. Kernel headers not found for the target kernel. Okay, let's install the prerequisite packages for VirtualBox Guest Addition. Write GCC This will take some time. I will pause the video and resume once a dependency package installed. I will resume the video back. Required dependencies installed. This will reinstall VirtualBox Guest Addition. Press enter. Let's power on the another machine. Let's attach network adapter for the new machine. We need to power off this machine first. Go to setting, click on network, enable network adapter, host only adapter, click on OK. Let me cross verify. Power on this machine. So we have two VMs, Rocky Linux 9.5. This is a old VirtualBox VM, and this one is just now we created. We have attached network adapter to this new VM, and old VM also has the same network adapter. So we will verify network connectivity between the VMs using a ping command. This steps ensures the setup is ready for the task like clustering or multi-node configuration. This is the old VM, VM1, and the new VM is getting started. This is a new VM. This IP address is 192.168.56.105. Go to the terminal. Let's try to ping. Get the IP address of the VM1. One 192.168.56.104. 56.104 IP 56. So we are able to ping from VirtualBox VM2 to VM1. So vice versa, we will check. This is the old VM. From here, we'll try to ping to the new virtual machines. Check the IP address of this 192.168.56.105. This is 104. So I will edit this 105 and ping it. So vice versa, we are able to ping between the VMs. We have successfully configured and run multiple virtual machine on a virtual box with Rocky Linux. You can check here, two VMs are running, Rocky Linux 9.5 and Rocky Linux 2, and we are able to get the response of ping of both server. This step is ideally for testing, learning, and experimenting with various DevOps tools. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy learning and keep exploring. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.